Ko te rehi, tahiro ono te kaima whetū te haere ake nei. Semi 1 of 2. For the under-19 boys, W6 500 metres, we have Rotorua Boys High School in lane 1, Mount Albert Grammar School in lane 2. Te Kōpuku High School lane 3, Rotorua Boys High School in lane 4. Then we have Te Rangia Niwaniwa, Te Kura Iwi o Whakatupuranga Rua Mano, Ngā Tai Atea Whare Kura, Te Kura Māori o Ngā Tapu Ai. And no Tahiti in lane 9, Te Ihu Semi High School. We have a green flag. It's a beautiful shot because we saw most of the Waka had the same point of start. But it is this team closest to us, Mata Whaura, all the way from Rotorua Boys High School. They've been doing really well at this competition. And you're probably thinking, well, who's that team in lane 4? It's also from Rotorua Boys High School. That team is Tarawera. No reira, ko Mata Whaura, ko Tarawera hoki, ngā kapai arahi ana I tēnei wā. Both schools, both teams, aroha mai, are from Rotorua Boys High School. They probably train together, they probably do everything together, but they won't be wanting to be crossing the line together. They want to beat their other team from their school. Lane 4, Tarawera goes into the turn first. Can they come out first though? Koe rā te pātainui. Yes, they can. And just a reminder, Rotorua Boys here in lane 1, they also went in second, but lane 2, 3 and 5 had good turns. So lane 2, Mount Albert Grammar. Lane 3, Te Kōpuku High School, and lane 5, Te Rangia Niwaniwa, the Niwa Broncos. They all had good turns, but there's no doubting who is leading at the moment. Ko Tarawera tērā, kai te ara tuawha, with 125 metres to go. Outside, right outside, is the Tahiti team. As we know, they're an exhibition team, so they won't be included in the finals, but it is good to see them, to see how our teams do against some of Tahiti's best. Just on the outside of Rotorua Boys in lane 5 is Te Rangia Niwaniwa, the Niwa Broncos. They could possibly come, whoa, second, yes. And who's third? Oh, I can't say. Either 2, Mount Albert Grammar, or 3, Te Kōpuku High School. Kaya koutou te tikanga, I can't decide. The good thing is, we know it's this team that won. The first semi of 2 in Te Ihu Semi. Under 19 boys, W6 500 metres.